being a very sensible person, I just eventually gave up on that.
You're listening to The Break.
My story's a bit different. I mean, I think that's really interesting. I want to come back around after I bore people with my story of being a together.
Something six people.
Well, let's get to this tonight. But I think what we should come back around later is if you could define the experience of learning technology in China. It might be different. And I have some ideas about some questions I want to ask you than like the experience of Americans. So when I was born, computers were not something that existed in people's homes. They weren't even marketed to people's homes. It was unthinkable, and that's something that, people watch those little movies about, Bill Gates and the other gentleman from Apple.
Wow. You didn't even deserve a name.
Steve Jobs, yeah, they